In the previous class we discussed the topic, the coast is a part of a country that is close to the sea. Hinterland is part of a country far from the sea. In today's class we will be learning the topic, choosing a career. A career is the job or occupation that someone does for a long period of their life. Types of career: carpentry, welding, engineering, hair plaiting, tailoring, teaching, etc. Dignity of labor. Dignity means respect while labor means work. Dignity of labor is the respect for all types of work. We must work to earn respect. Satisfaction. Independence. Confidence. Choosing a career is one of the most important decisions you will make in life. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.